Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw BMW charging session refunds via My BMW app, full guide step by step clearly. Open the My BMW app on your smartphone. Log in using your registered BMW account credentials. Navigate to the charging section within the app. Locate the charging sessions tab to view your recent sessions. Select the specific charging session for which you want to request a refund. Review the details of the charging session, including date, time, and location. Look for the Request Refund option within the session details. Tap on Request Refund to initiate the process. Fill out any required information, such as your reason for the refund request. Attach any supporting documentation or receipts if prompted. Double-check all entered information for accuracy. Submit your refund request by tapping the confirmation button. Wait for a confirmation message indicating that your request has been successfully submitted. Monitor the status of your refund request in the app. Check your email for any updates regarding the refund process. Once approved, the refund will be processed according to your payment method. If you encounter any issues, navigate to the Help section in the app for further assistance. Review any FAQs related to refund policies for additional clarity. Patience may be required as processing times can vary. Ensure your app is updated for the best experience during the process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.